We all have learned to obey and keep our heads down. You see how it is.
Let's not attract attention.
Are you going to go to your house?
Nothing there for me. Tell me about the Ibis.
That gentleman.
Is he here?
He is the plague on the oasis. As you can see, the soldiers have become more brutal since he arrived. Before they got drunk and fought with the villagers. Now that Medunamur is here, they are disciplined, vicious.
All the more reason to kill him.
Do not take him lightly. He is lean and sinewy, but very powerful.
Behold what becomes of those who disobey Medunamur, priest to the Pharaoh. Take care.
Oh. Leave your marks. You will not stray far. Go ahead, Oki.
You must prepare for this man.
Hepzibah! Hepzibah! Once again the soldiers!
Rabia.
I am worried about you.
You know me, eh? You should be worried.
Look at you. Cuts, contusions.
I'm fine.
Sit. 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 I'll take care of it.
You haven't changed.
Isaiah, I've always patched you two up. Made excuses to your parents. Times have changed.